Hey, it's me again, and I'm going to show you my homemade airsoft gun. Here's my homemade one. And I have two others. I have this and this. This is a Pulse M7Q. And right here is the gun I like. That is my Stinger R34. And it has a sight on it. It was $42.99 at Dick's Sporting Goods. And this has three different sizes, three different lengths. And but that's not what I'm here to talk to you about on this video today. I am here to talk about my homemade airsoft gun. It's right here. I just finished this today, and I put a little electrical tape, and I kind of built this up with a couple pieces of plastic. You stick the BB right through that hole right there. Then I have a pin to jab it in. And then I have some BBs right here, 500 count, that came with my Stinger R34. And I'll be showing you how this shoots. Okay, here's the pin. Okay, I'll load it.